Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling dark mode on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization settings, select Colors. Here on the Colors page, the first option is to switch between light mode and dark mode. Choose which one you want and it will apply instantly. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.